On a recent adventure to the Galapagos Islands, we had an up-close and personal account with two black-tip reef sharks. They follow the boats looking for an easy meal. As you can see, there are plenty of fish for these sharks, but they wanted something else. These two measured approximately 6 feet in length, and is the main reason you don't swim off of your boat in the Galapagos. They followed our boat for a couple of hours, gliding seamlessly through the water and paying no attention to the schools of fish around them. As dangerous as these creatures are, it was very peaceful watching them in the Galapagos Oceans. This one became evident by its clear scarring on its right side. After filming these majestics for quite a while, we decided it was feeding time. It's a good thing my underwater camera comes on an extended pole, because I might have lost my arm to a black-tip reef shark.